Welcome to the Agent Impact Simulation. In this simulation, you will assess the damage caused by 4 different types of attack agents. The first screen of the simulation allows you to choose the factors that influence an attack. To begin, select a population density, which describes how many people are located in a targeted area. You can either select low or high population densities. Next, choose the type of agent you would like to assess, such as biological or chemical. Then, select the level of impact for your agent. The minimum level of impact indicates spreading the selected agent over a relatively small area, while the maximum level would scatter the agent over a large part of the population. If you'd like to change any of your selections, simply choose another option. Once you've made all of your selections, select the Start button at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. After selecting the Start button, a short video will play that shows how the attack agent was delivered and its immediate effects. When the video concludes, statistics boxes appear at the bottom of the screen. The far right-hand boxes display the elapsed time and the attack agent. You will see how many hours passed before the effects of the agent completely wore off. You will also see the name of the specific agent that was involved in the attack. Note, the specific agent sometimes cannot be identified right away. The boxes on the left-hand side of the screen show how many people visited a hospital, a clinic, drugstores, or died and were sent to the morgue as a result of the attack. Once you've finished noting the results, you can click on the Reset button at the bottom right-hand corner to start a new scenario.